Presenting the Oppo A17k. It comes in color options of gold and navy blue. The phone has display of HD plus Waterdrop Colour Rich Display, 6.56 inches inch, 16.66 centimeters, and 1612 by 720 pixels. The phone also has side fingerprint sensor. It has 8MP rear camera. It has 5MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 64 GB ROM and 3 GB RAM, up to 4 GB extended ROM. It supports dual SIM slot plus micro SD. It is powered by MediaTek P35 processor. It also features dual SIM. The delivery box contains adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.